Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cancel your Claude account, Claude AI. So once you're on Claude.ai, just go down on bottom left, click on your username, and then you go to settings right here. And on here, go to billing right here. And as you can see, I'm on the Pro plan. It's gonna renew on July 21st. And if you want to cancel, just go down. So canceling, just click on it. So it will say cancel to stop recurring billing. You can still use Claude Pro until July. So that means you still can still use it even if you cancel it. That means it's not gonna auto renew, and it's gonna ask you why you want to cancel. Okay, just click submit, and then it's gonna register that. And if you want to resubscribe, just click on resubscribe. So it's not gonna bill you anymore right now, next month. So in case you forget it, just cancel before that. So that's how you cancel your Claude AI Pro plan, any plan, even the Max plan. And yeah, it's better to do it on the computer